Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Monopoly Go profile picture. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So there's actually two ways for you to change your Monopoly Go profile picture. I'll be showing you how to change this as a guest as well as an account that's connected to your Facebook. Now in here, let's go ahead and open up our Monopoly Go, and from here, if you're using a guest account, you just need to go to the three bar icon that you see at the top right of your screen, and from here you should see your profile picture at the top right, and when you click on that, you have the option to change your profile picture that they already have, or it will actually be given to you as an option to change. So in this case, they have a pig, a cat, and a dog, and different kind of cute pictures here that you could use. Now if your account is connected like what I have right now, since I'm using my Facebook account to play Monopoly Go, as you can see right now. Now if you want to change your profile picture or a customized picture for this one, well, you have to update your Facebook profile photo. Now once you updated your profile photo, this picture that we have right now will be all updated. So what you need to do here, go back to facebook.com or go to your Facebook account, and from there update your profile picture. And once you've updated, what you need to do here is you need to make sure that you actually restart Monopoly Go. So in this case, go ahead and close down the Monopoly Go and reopen it again. And from there, you just need to open again, and your profile picture in Monopoly Go should be updated. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.